and welcome to this week's Simple Summer Snacks. We have a couple things for you, a quick and easy slushy and a fun DIY ice cream treat. Let's get to it. We're going to need sugar, 7-Up, and Kool-Aid for our summer slushy. You're going to take your blender, you're going to add your ice, 1 packet of Kool-Aid, about a half a cup of sugar, and 7-Up. Now you can do 2 cups of that, or you can eyeball it. If you don't like the way it looks, you can add some more ice as well. It's really up to you. The fun thing about this slushy treat is that Kool-Aid is only like 30 cents a packet, and it's super fun. So you're gonna blend it on your frozen beverage setting, and we're gonna blend away, and this is your very own DIY at home slushy. Very fun. If you don't have soda, you can add seltzer or water if you prefer. So this is it. It's a little too thick for me to pour out, so I am going to grab a spoon and scoop it out, add a straw, and enjoy. Next up, we have our rainbow sprinkle sandwiches. This is a fun, easy treat made with sprinkles, an ice cream sandwich, popsicle sticks, and cupcake liner. First, you are going to cut your pre-made ice cream sandwich and dip all 4 sides in the rainbow sprinkles. Yay, so fun and pretty. Don't forget to cut the bottom of your cupcake liner. We're gonna make a little hole. There you go, perfect. You are gonna add your popsicle stick, and then you're gonna put the cupcake liner to catch all those extra sprinkles and make this not only a pretty treat, but a neat treat. Yay! So fun and yummy.
It really was yummy.